Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. So equation y power 8 multiplied to power 8 is equal 0.001. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. And go to the solution together. We know that for to solve out this exponential equation, we have to write it in the same basis. So that if we have a power 8 is equal to a power y, so we get 8 is equal y. So this equation I can write in the same basis as both sides of this equation. So we see that if y power 8 multiply with 2 power 8, so that it have 8 and this have 8. Now we know the rule. 8 power n multiplied with power n, and we can write 8 multiply b on power n. So this I can write it 5 multiplied to all power 8 equal. We know it. This 0.001. I can write it 1 over. This have 3 times. So that I can write it 1 over 1000. So that this have 3 0. So I can write it 1 over 10 power 3. So that if I change it from under to overs, so we get 10 powers minus 3. So I can write it 10 power minus 3. So I can write 10 power minus 3. So this 5 multiplied 2, I can write it 10 power 8 equal 10 powers minus 3. So this reduce the rule. A power 8 equal a power y, so we get 8 is equal y. So this have 10 power 8 and 10 power minus 3 and have the same basic 10. So I can write is 8 is equal minus 3 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.